Hi, I'm Airanas. I'm 19 years old and I was born in Lithuania and also had an incident in Lithuania when I was 14 years old where a firework exploded near my face that turned me fully blind. So I had multiple surgeries in Lithuania, spent like 2 to 3 months in hospitals there, with every doctor saying that there's absolutely no hope and I should give up and just start learning on how to live as a blind person. I think it wasn't even the biggest fear of being blind, it's just losing hope, I guess, because that's the worst thing that can happen to a human being. And for a 14-year-old who turns blind, it's quite hard to realize of what happened and the fact that, you ruined your life just because of a stupid firework or whatever. But then we found some hope. We had surgery here, or a few surgeries. Mr. Wong took a lens or something and added to my eye, and I managed to see a majority of his hand properly, which was like crazy to me because I couldn't see anything. And then, wow, I can see a hand. I actually got surprised. I was thinking like, what just happened? A bunch of hope came back because then I realized like, yeah, I will be able to see a lot of things. And that's enough for me to live and create cool things. When I come here, my biggest goal is to just hear that everything is stable with my eye and that my vision is not worsening. And maybe in 5 to 10 years, because I never lose hope and always fight, to hear that there is a new technology that can help me to see properly again. I mean, literally, OCL gave me my vision, so they helped me fight blindness like 3 times in a row. So yes, I'm very happy with what they offered.